Good evening, my fellow educators, knowledge explorers, and newly crowned superheroes. Today, we are here to celebrate a transformation, a journey that started with curiosity and maybe a little hesitation, but ended with confidence, excitement, and a whole new way of teaching. Some of you joined thinking, let's see what this is about. And now look at you, fully immersed, ready to reshape education with your newfound skills and wisdom. The TTT program didn't just teach us, it made us pause and introspect. It unearthed hidden talents we never knew we had. We have discovered that we are not just teachers, we are mentors, motivators, and magicians who can turn even the dullest topics into an adventure. Through Sparkle, we have polished our techniques so well that our aura now gleams with confidence. Other teachers might need sunglasses around us. Student teacher myths, we take pride in pioneering a concept that makes every student feel heard, valued, and loved. And staff meetings, well, with snacks, creativity, and collaboration, we are turning them into power packed idea factories, where we walk in as educators and walk out as inspired change makers. A special round of applause for our language teachers. Despite language barriers, you dived in wholeheartedly while we tried to make everything as understandable as possible. It was your dedication and enthusiasm that made this program truly rewarding. And let's talk about assessments. We have cracked the code. From formative assessments to game changing review reports, we are ready to make exams less stressful and more meaningful. Other schools will envy our students when they see them actually enjoying the assessments. But the real magic? We are now teachers with superpowers. From voice modulation to assessment modulation, we will surprise our students every single day. No more pin drop silence. Instead, we are creating classrooms full of engagement, joy, and real learning. So tonight, let's celebrate not just our learnings, but our evolution from teachers to transformational educators. This is just the beginning, a beginning where we uplift each other, we innovate, and redefine what it means to teach. So, congratulations, superheroes. The classrooms will never be the same again. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Rishi.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Suman,
Shall I start, ma'am?
yes, please.
Changmala Julie. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
जैसा कि मुझे मैम ने यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही अच्छा अवसर दिया है कि मैम का जो स्पीच है वो हिंदी में मैं रीड करूंगी। तो सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करूंगी कि आप लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं। शुभ संध्या मेरे साथियों, ज्ञान के मुसाफिरों और आज के नए नवेले सुपर हीरोज। आज हम यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं एक बेहतरीन बदलाव का जश्न मनाने के लिए, एक सफर जो जिज्ञासा और शायद थोड़े संकोच के साथ शुरू हुआ था, लेकिन अब पूरी कॉन्फिडेंस, एक्साइटमेंट और नए अंदाज के साथ इस मुकाम पर पहुंचा है। कुछ लोग सोचकर आए थे, चलो देखते हैं क्या है ये टीटीटी, और अब देखिए आप पूरी तरह डूब चुके हैं नई स्किल्स और विजडम के साथ। एजुकेशन की तस्वीर बदलने के लिए तैयार है। टीटीटी प्रोग्राम ने सिर्फ हमें सिखाया नहीं, बल्कि रुक कर इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करने पर मजबूर कर दिया है। इसने हमें वो टैलेंट दिखाए जो हमारे अंदर छिपे हुए थे, हमें ही नहीं पता था। हमने जाना कि हम सिर्फ टीचर्स नहीं हैं, हम मेंटोर्स, मोटिवेटर्स और ऐसे मजिशियंस हैं जो किसी भी बोरिंग टॉपिक को एक रोमांचक सफर बना सकते हैं। स्पार्कल के जरिए हमने अपनी टेक्निक्स को इतना चमका लिया है कि अब हमारी शख्सियत ही एक अलग ऑरा में नजर आती है। अब तो दूसरे टीचर्स को हमें देखने के लिए सन ग्लासेस की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। स्टूडेंट टीचर्स मीटिंग मीट्स, ये तो हमारी पहचान ही बन गई है। वो कॉन्सेप्ट जिस पर हमें फक्र है, ये क्योंकि यह हर स्टूडेंट को हर्ट, वैल्यूड और लव्ड महसूस कराने का मौका देता है। और स्टाफ मीटिंग्स, अब वो सिर्फ बैठकों तक ही सीमित नहीं रहेगी, अब उनमें स्नैक्स, क्रिएटिविटी और कोलैबोरेशन का जायका होगा, जहां हम एडुकेटर्स बनकर अंदर आएंगे और चेंज मेकर्स बनकर बाहर निकलेंगे। एक जबरदस्त तालियों की गूंज होनी चाहिए हमारे लैंग्वेज टीचर्स के लिए, क्योंकि भाषा की दीवारें जो आई थी, मगर आपने बिना झिझक के पूरे दिल से इस सफर को अपनाया है। हमने तो इसे आसान बनाने की पूरी कोशिश की, लेकिन आपकी डेडिकेशन और एंथुजियाज्म ने इसे शानदार बना दिया है। अब बात करें असेसमेंट्स की, तो अब हमने इसका कोड क्रैक कर लिया है। फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट से लेकर गेम चेंजिंग रिव्यू रिपोर्ट्स तक अब हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एग्जाम्स बोझ नहीं है, बल्कि एक मीनिंगफुल लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस होंगे। बाकी स्कूल्स के बच्चे तो जलेंगे हमें देखकर, जब उन्हें पता चलेगा कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स अब टेस्ट को डर के नहीं बल्कि मजे से देंगे। लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात, अब हम सिर्फ टीचर्स नहीं हैं, हम सुपर हीरोज हैं। वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन से लेकर असेसमेंट मॉड्यूलेशन तक हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को रोजाना सरप्राइज करने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार हैं। अब कोई पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस नहीं, बल्कि क्लासरूम में एंगेजमेंट, जॉय और रियल लर्निंग की गूंज होगी। तो आज रात हम सिर्फ अपनी नई स्किल्स ही नहीं, बल्कि अपनी एवोल्यूशन का जश्न मना रहे हैं, टीचर्स से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल एडुकेटर्स बनने तक की यात्रा का। और यह बस बिगनिंग है, एक ऐसा बिगनिंग जहां हम एक दूसरे को अपलिफ्ट करेंगे, इनोवेट करेंगे और टीचिंग को नए मायनों से रीडिफाइन करेंगे। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस सुपर हीरोज। अब क्लासरूम कभी पहले जैसा नहीं रहेगा, बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाएगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Suman.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so let us begin. There's a baby already beginning the ceremony for us. Okay. Okay, so can everybody see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
so you may begin clapping for each other and for yourself as well.
Mm,
So,
Thank you.
welcome once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Thank you, ma'am.
now you have to guess the teacher's name. Okay, so this particular teacher is an analytical thinker, sharp-minded. She knows how to master the concepts, always learning and teaching with a lot of passion.
Ma'am, Suman.
Okay?
Ma'am, Ishi.
Ma'am, Ishi.
Could be.
No, 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 it
Abhishek.
can be anyone. No, no, it can be anyone.
It
Ma'am,
can
Ishi.
be anyone, okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Asmat.
Okay, who said Asmat?
Ma'am, Asmat.
How,
Ma'am,
how,
Ma'am.
how, ma'am, Asmat?
Ma'am, Ishi.
Yes, ma'am, Asmat too, ma'am. Ma'am, Asmat.
How?
Ishi too.
She's always keen to
If
learn.
you tell me how you've guessed Asmat's name, then I'll give you a virtual hug.
She would always ask you, clearing her doubts, she shares
Yes,
all her
ma'am.
experiences, and yeah, she introspects a lot. I know that.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. She
that's
always seems
one
very
particular
analytical.
trait of Asmat. She has, that analytical thinker. 100% it has to be Asmat, right?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
So, okay, I'll give you a hint. When you're guessing the name, it is in an acronym form. So,
Then it's Ma'am Asmat only.
Okay.
I
yes,
think.
A, A of Asmat is
Yes,
analytical
definitely.
thinking. Okay, and then of course she's very sharp-minded, and she knows she delves into the topic beautifully and tries to find everything related to the topic in a very nice synchronized way. So congratulations, Asmat, on completing the program. And
Congratulations, Ma'am Asmat.
Thank you so much,
and
ma'am. Thanks, everyone.
with Asmat, numbers perfect. Yes. Each builds confidence. Congratulations once again. and and you'll be getting it soon in your hand.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Would you like to say something, Asmat, before we proceed?
बस यही कहना चाहूंगी मैम कि इट वाज ए गुड लर्निंग और आई थिंक हमारा जो विंटर का टाइम था हमारे लिए बहुत ही प्रोडक्टिव रहा। ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी आपसे कि आपकी हेल्प नीड रहेगी एंड मे बी विल कीप ऑन अप्रोचिंग यू and we may come across lots of challenges. So yeah, maybe we need your help and we are looking forward for a positive change in school, in us, even in parents. Thank you.
Thank you, Asma. Thank you, Asma. Yes. Without saying, I'm there anytime, whenever required. Okay, for anything that personally the teachers need or anything that the school needs me for, I'm always there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, who is this teacher? Admirable, brilliant, devoted, understanding, a very learned teacher, wise, astute, humble, authentic, and blessed.
Abdul. Sir. Abdul Wahab.
So, do we have Abdul? Yes, Abdul Wahab. Yes, he's here.
जी मैम
Yes, ma'am. Sir is there.
Congratulations.
शुक्रिया
Very easily, your name has been guessed by everyone. Many, many congratulations on completing the program. Okay. So this wonderful teacher who teaches Bunyad sets cultural bunyad. आपकी है सब स्टूडेंट्स को जरूरत रहिएगा हमेशा उनके साथ. Many, many congratulations. All the very best. And I'm sure that you will be able to take up the program beautifully. And बच्चे आपकी क्लास में वेट कर रहे हैं, आपके
आवाज
साथ
में
भी
थोड़ा
वेट कर
दिक्कत
रहे
है
हैं to be with them.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
So that's what you're going to get very soon. Okay. Aspiring brilliance, developing Urdu's legacy. So we have another Urdu teacher.
Nadeem, sir. Ma'am, Sir Nadeem.
Where is Abdul Halim? sir?
Ma'am, Ma'am, Taslima.
मैम नूर
Where is the other Abdul sir?
मैम फरीदा अब्दुल हलीम
Yes, I think he hasn't joined yet.
Abdul Halim.
Wish him all the very best. तो हर लफ्ज में है रोशनी, हर बात में है असर, इनकी दौलत से चमकता रहे आपका सफर. I wish him all the very best, and I hope when he sees the video, he would get to know that we are sending across a lot of wishes for him. So, congratulations to Abdul Halim.
Congratulations.
Okay, so we have a teacher who empowers the students with wisdom and grace, supports with care, creating a safe space, holds the team with leadership strong, encourages all to thrive and belong, earns for success in all she inspires.
Maybe.
Maybe, she's saying maybe.
No, just in sequence, ma'am. That's how I'm guessing. Otherwise, yeah, everyone deserves such compliments.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Ishi.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
All
Thank you,
the
everyone.
success, everything that you look forward to is going to be yours because of all the hard work that you put in, all the efforts that you put in. And, you know, it's not just me saying this. I'm sure everybody would resonate with what I'm saying. And
Yes, ma'am.
It really means a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
so Ishi's class is a language delight where words take wings and soar to new heights. A leader or learner, she is truly an inspirational lamp so bright. So God
Thanks a
bless
lot,
you
ma'am.
abundantly.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Would you like to say something, Ishi?
Sure, ma'am. So first of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to you, ma'am. It's all because of you that I could learn a lot. I would first talk about the first training we had last year, ma'am. Before that training, I was given a lot of responsibilities. It was something new for me. I used to face a lot of challenges, feeling really stressed. But then after joining your sessions, your training programs, it was truly this, ma'am, very influential. I could find a lot of confidence, a lot of ease in what I do. And yes, there was definitely a lot of equanimity that I could develop with time. So it's all because of you. I personally believe that your guidance would always be there. It has been truly very empowering for me, and I'm always grateful to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ishi. It
Thank you
has
so
been
much.
totally wonderful the way each one of you reciprocates with your love and all the respect that you all give. So that gives me even more motivation to share as much as I can. Though I share whatever I have learned or I'm learning all throughout this process, but there's lots that I get to learn from each one of you. So thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Fostering a thoughtful, inspiring, and meaningful approach.
मैम फरहत
F से है तो फरहत. Could be Farhat.
Yes.
But we also some.
Ma'am Fatima. Ma'am Fatima.
Ma'am Fatima. Yeah.
है क्या मैम यहाँ पर? Okay, so congratulations to Fatima. Fatima's class where Urdu is a song and rhythms of language deep and strong. So, congratulations to her from.
थोड़ा हिंदी में फरमाइए, थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आया, दिक्कत है
नहीं आया. अच्छा सर, हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कौन करेगा मेरे लिए? हमारे हिंदी मैम्स में से कोई तो ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. फातिमा की क्लास उर्दू का एक है, रिदम्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज डीप एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो लैंग्वेज की जो रिदम है वो बहुत ही गहरी है और बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग. वो क्या बोलेंगे हम? तंदुरुस्त है.
मजबूत
गहरा
और पुख्ता भी हो सकता.
अभी है ठीक. Okay. Fostering strong roots, adding wisdom, instilling faith, developing values and anchoring traditions.
I'm Farida.
Yes.
Ma'am Farida.
So Shireen मैम ने क्या किया है, एक नोटबुक ली है, उस पे उन्होंने फर्स्ट लेटर Okay. So, Farida ma'am, many congratulations. मुझे आप नहीं दिख रहे हो.
Farida. Okay, ma'am is there now.
Okay. So Farida's teachings shine so bright, guiding young hearts towards the light. Many congratulations to her.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am Farida.
Okay. Friendly, affectionate, radiant, helpful, adorable, and tender.
Farhad.
Ma'am Farhad.
फरहत, अब तो कैमरा ऑन कर दो किसी तरह.
कैमरा नहीं हो रहा है मैम, और एक बार हो गया था फिर से बंद हो गया.
पता नहीं बीच में बंद हो रहा. Okay. So yes, every word actually applies to your personality so much, Farhad. And I wish you all the very best for
Thank you so much.
everything that comes up for you. Congratulations. So there's hug in her words, a smile so bright. She makes little hearts feel just right. And I'm sure that, last year also I saw a lot of love that she shows for her sessions. And I'm sure she'll continue doing that even in the coming times. And with all the new things that we are going to take to our classrooms, these are going to make her even more gentle, I think. So all the best, Farhad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Growing, understanding, lighting minds, nurturing aspirations with zeal.
Gulnaz.
Gulnaz, ma'am.
Gulnaz ने आज अपना कैमरा नहीं ऑन किया है. गुलनाज का. हाँ जी. Many congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, ma'am, we would like to hear something from you before we move on.
I would like to thank you, ma'am, for the training,
Thanks to
and
you.
I will like to implement the techniques I've learned in my classroom.
All the very best, ma'am. And I'm sure
Thank you, ma'am.
आप
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you. Congratulations,
amazing
Gulnaz.
this year, super amazing, and I'm sure it's going to keep growing and growing and going up. So all the very best. So with
Thank you, ma'am.
Gulnaz, there's never a pause. She teaches with love. Applause, applause.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
देखिए अब थोड़ी सी मैंने इंग्लिश में भी हिंदी शेरो शायरी करने की कोशिश करी है. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So that's your
Thank you, ma'am.
certificate, which will reach you soon, Gulnaz.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Knowledgeable, attentive, motivating, amazing, and actually amazingly resourceful.
Ma'am Kamar.
मैम कमर अपना टीवी उठा के ले आते हैं घर से तो फिर
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, she definitely deserves this tag. So
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am Kamar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, Shanaz.
all
Thank
the
you.
tough times that you've gone through, still you were there. You tried to cover up with whatever was being taught. So thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks
Thank
to
you so much.
for managing everything so well.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
With ideas so bright and lessons so fun, Summer makes learning second to none. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे मैम?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I thank you so much, ma'am. मुझे ये है कि इंशाल्लाह इन माय फ्यूचर डेज जितना भी टेक्निक स्किल्स है, आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू डू ऑल द स्किल्स. और कहीं पर भी है, मुझे ज्यादातर मैं एक्टिविटी करती हूँ. अभी इससे ज्यादा स्पार्कल लर्निंग आई विल डेफिनेटली यूज इन माय क्लास फ्रॉम दिस ईयर. और कुछ भी है प्रॉब्लम है, मैं आपको जरूर कॉल करूंगी. एंड जितना भी क्वेरीज है, आई विल आस्क यू, मैम.
Anytime. कुछ भी,
Thank you
कोई
so
भी,
much.
anytime you need any help related to whatever we have done, or even besides that, if I can be of help, I will definitely try my level best to whatever resources I can provide or whatever I can do. So मेरी capacity में जो भी है, जो भी मैं कर सकती हूँ, I will be there for you. So
Thank you so much.
feel free to call, to text, and
Sure, ma'am.
just anytime. You have my number, each one of you, so you can get in touch with me.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. So congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so knowledgeable and resilient, molding aspirations.
सर कर्मा
सर कर्मा तो बहुत रेजिलियंट हैं और अभी ठीक होके आए हैं. आई एम श्योर ही इज मच बेटर नाउ. कर्मा, कैसे हैं आप? वेलकम.
आई एम गुड मैम.
धीरे धीरे बोल रहे हैं. फटाफट से ठीक हो जाइए, आपको तो फटाफट से जाना है अपने बच्चों को बहुत ही भारी भरकम सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाने के लिए। So they are
Are you all fine, sir?
waiting for you.
What happened to him, ma'am?
He was
I
not
hope he's
keeping
okay.
well, and he had a surgery. So, and but फिर भी thank you so much. He has joined for the felicitation ceremony, and I'm so happy and so obliged that he made it for the ceremony.
Congratulations, sir.
ma'am.
We
Thank
wish
you,
you
ma'am.
good health. Take care of your health.
Thank
Take
you.
care, sir. Get well soon.
Thank you.
And sir, हमें तो अभी हम देखो इतनी देर से सर्टिफिकेट्स बांट रहे हैं सबके, है ना, सबको ऑनर कर रहे हैं, तो अब वो कंप्लीट नहीं होगा जब तक आप हमारे लिए कुछ अच्छा सा सुनाएंगे नहीं। सो हम वेट
Hello?
कर रहे हैं। हाँ जी, आ रही है आपको आवाज?
Yes, ma'am. Like what I'm supposed to do.
You told us,
But
you told me you will you will sing for us.
okay. Is it my turn, ma'am? Like,
Yes, it's your turn. So wait, let me.
like, can I sing after like some time?
After some time, अच्छा थोड़ा
Like, ma'am, like after like.
You want to clear your throat and थोड़ा ओके हम तो आपके सॉन्ग की वेट कर रहे हैं इतनी देर से। मैं सोच रही हूँ कर्मा सर का नाम जैसे ही आएगा बस फटाफट से हम एक फिजिकल ब्रेक लेंगे। कोई बात
Okay, ma'am. Like.
यू रेडी?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके so a big round of applause for Karma sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Ma'am, I will sing one Ladakhi song, old Ladakhi song.
Okay.
With guitar.
Wow.
Lovely.
Should I start?
Yes, please.
Guitar कौन सा है यहाँ पे?
Gangri dangri gyal skinna ya chutim den gyudu. Gangri dangri gyal skinna ya chutim den gyudu. Ye pamis kiyu ta chim chim che chim. Ye pamis kiyu ta chim chim se chim. Jixten tun bo cheru. Jixtenitun bozeru, niskeyu lada chadu. Jixtenitun bozeru, jix bozeru. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh,
So like,
very nice.
like I was not mentally prepared, man. Sorry.
No. You have to be emotionally prepared, not mentally prepared. And I just loved it.
Like I have to sing right after I joined, like, so like that's made me like nervous and.
No, you were really good.
Actually, I thought that ma'am, like meeting was being postponed. Like I have no idea.
No.
Okay.
Okay. And इसका मीनिंग तो बता दो सॉन्ग का। गाना तो बहुत
Like
प्यारा है but
this song, I think like very old Ladakhi song,
okay.
and I think like This song is dedicated to Ladakh. It's like uh, I can't explain
Oh, okay.
it.
You give me
Like
the name. I'll,
it's
I'll,
like
I'll
my
try to translate it.
it's like my ancestor home, like that. My parent home.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
birthplace of my parents and all.
Yeah. But okay, but you understand the song, or you're just singing it?
Yes, like actually like I don't understand all the lyrics, but
Oh,
I understand around like maybe like 50%, ma'am.
oh, okay. Hmm. Like Punjabi songs. But very nice. Thank you. And congratulations once again for completing the program. And
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, this is for you. Karma's lessons are sown with grace, reaping success at a steady pace. And whenever I'm interacting with you, I go back to the very first session that we had where you were talking about your teaching experience, and then how I saw
Yes.
giving inputs every time on different topics that we did, even last season, and then this season again when you shared during the Sparkle assessment and everything. So everything, all that transformation and so much knowledge comes from you every time I interact with you, because there's so many topics that I've seen you exploring different types of topics, all the time. So
Yes.
that's really nice.
Like me also, ma'am, like I have learned so many things from you. We had like 2 sessions last year and this year, and like I have learned so many things, so many techniques. So like it was like worth it, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thank
Yes.
you. And
I will
also,
try my best to apply all these techniques that I have learned from you in when I step into the classroom. I will try my best.
Hmm. Yes, we really want to see that transformation actually happening, where children also feel that yes, there are
Yes, ma'am.
some positive changes coming in. Some kya bahut
Yes,
sare. We are looking forward to all the changes that
yes,
we
ma'am.
have discussed. So all the very best, and
Thank you, ma'am.
once again, many many congratulations for
Congratulations,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
hard-earned certificate. And it's not just a certificate, it's actually all the effort and all the time that each one of you have invested to gain a lot of knowledge, develop a lot of skills, and take them to your classrooms. So all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so who's this teacher, Karma? Maybe Karma can guess it for us. Making learning fun, energizing young minds.
Mahesh.
Yes,
Mavish.
happy and
Yes.
caring, vibrant and playful, inspiring curiosity all the time. And she's so soft-hearted, and she's hugging those little dreams. And when I was thinking of designing this acronym for her, I just felt that all the interaction that I had during the Sparkle assessment, and how she was mixing the colors, and how she had that little girl in front of her who was experimenting and showing it to us how the colors are mixed and how creative we can get, so that she has that very soft heart, and so well fit in her role. So all the very
Thank you, ma'am.
you deserve all the
Thank you, ma'am.
success, and
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I'm sure you're going to do very well. You're going to grow as an educator wonderfully. God bless
Thank you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
आप पे हमें नाज है महवीश.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So Mahvish sprinkles joy and cheer, making little hearts feel near and dear. Congratulations and all the very best for a great future.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Nurturing, outstanding, and optimistic radiance.
Nilufar, ma'am.
Nilofer.
Noor Taiba.
Noor
Noor
Taiba,
Taiba.
नीलम,
Yes.
नदी.
नूर कहाँ है आज हमारे TTT
Noor
program?
Taiba.
Noor, she's not here. She's not joining. I don't know. No, she's not here. Okay, so yes, this is for Noor, and I wish her all the very best and a lot of success. She's been an excellent participant, and this was the first time that I had with her, and I just felt that there's lots that she is ambitious about. There's lots that she wants to take to her classrooms. There's lots that she's already trying and already experimenting in her sessions. And after this program, she did discuss this with me that now that we would have a standardized thing, we would be able to implement it 100%, like, even if it has been like 50%, 60%, but now we can look forward to it that all that we have been doing once in a while would actually become a regular practice. So all the very best. Noor's class, a shining gray, bringing Urdu to life in a magical way. All the very best, Noor. When you watch the video, do take all my wishes. And congratulations. Okay, so this teacher of ours is nurturing with love, and she's an enthusiastic, laughing with kids. She is also laughing with the adults all the time, overflowing with warmth, fun-filled lessons adored by all, and she's a radiant mentor. So, Nilofer. Nilofer, are you there? She's there, but she hasn't switched on her camera. Nilofer? Okay. Maybe when she gets to see the video, or maybe she's trying to unmute herself. I'm not too sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. But I'm really sorry. Actually, I have a flight next week back to Leh, so
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm shopping with my
You're
family.
shopping. हमारे
Yes,
बच्चे ना कहाँ कर रहे हो shopping?
Yeah, it's all noisy over here.
Okay, no, not a problem. Congratulations, Nilofer, and all the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nilofer, your class is a fairy tale land where learning and laughter go hand in hand. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Would you like to say something?
Apologies.
Would you like to add something before you continue your shopping?
Some paid puja. I've come for some paid puja right now. Nothing, ma'am. I'm just like, I'm very much pleased to have you as a mentor. You have really taught so much, a lot of things, and I'll be disturbing you in near future also for your beautiful tips. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. All the very best, Nilofer. That's not disturbing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you a lot.
Giving me the opportunity to be a help to another educator who's friend and who's also been a great source of knowledge for me. So all the very best.
Really, I've learned a lot of things, many things.
Maintain your smile, maintain your enthusiasm always. You have a very positive aura, and I hope you maintain that always.
Thanks a lot. Take care, ma'am.
Take care. Okay, so this particular teacher is nurturing a delightful and expressive experience in Urdu mastery.
Nadeem.
Sir Nadeem. Sir Nadeem.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nadeem को मैंने देखा था अभी. हाँ.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ जी, sir. Thank you and many congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, sir Nadeem.
Thank you.
सर शायरी सुनाएंगे.
सितारों की
आप शायरी
सितारों की झुरमुट में अपना नाम देखकर मुझे तो अपनी शादी का सुहाना दिन याद आ गया.
क्या बात है. तो आप मुझे बताते तो मैं आपकी वाइफ का नाम भी साथ में लिख देती।
नहीं, ऐसा कर लीजिए, फिर ज्यादा हो जाता।
नहीं, वो तो अच्छा लगता फिर साथ में, फिर आपको पूरी फीस आती अच्छे से। So many many congratulations.
थैंक यू मैम,
एंड
शुक्रिया
हर
बहुत
लफ्ज
बहुत।
में मिठास, हर बात सुहानी, नदीम सर के सबक में बसी है कहानी। थोड़ी
थैंक
बहुत
यू
शेर व
वेरी मच
शायरी
मैम,
तो हम भी ट्राई कर ही देते हैं।
बिल्कुल मैम,
Okay.
बहुत शुक्रिया
Sir,
दिल की
so
गहराइयों
overall experience, would you like to say something? कुछ आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे, कुछ सुनाना
से।
चाहेंगे, कुछ गाना
वही,
चाहेंगे?
अब आप सुनने में आप ले आ रही मैम,
हाँ जी, मैं ले आऊंगी पक्का। मैं थोड़ी सी
पक्का।
ठंड कम होने की वेट कर रही हूँ।
फिर
आप
हम तो
आप सब
पंचवेश
तो पहले
करते हैं।
पहुंचिए जी, अभी तो सब इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं। जब सब पहुंच जाएंगे तो फिर मैं सबसे एक साथ मिलने आऊंगी।
Yeah,
जाने
ma'am, we would love to meet you.
मैम।
Please
Yes.
come.
I was actually planning a trip in March, and so my husband was telling me that okay, every year you tell me you want to go to Leh, and so go. I said अभी थोड़ी सी ठंड तो कम होने दो, अभी तो सबकी छुट्टियां चल रही हैं, सब इधर उधर है. Let everybody come back, and then I'll give everybody a surprise maybe.
Yeah, we would love to have that surprise.
So you might
जाने की
see me peeping into your class someday without telling.
Oh my God. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
जाने किस राह से आ जाए वो बाहर बनकर,
Oh.
जाने किस राह से आ जाए वो बाहर बनकर, हमने हर राह को पलकों पे सजा रखा है।
Oh my God. क्या बात है। आपके पास तो खजाना है सर पूरा। इतने सारे शेर व शायरी कहाँ छुपा के रखी थी आपने? सेशंस के टाइम तो हमें सुनाई नहीं।
उस टाइम थोड़ा मैं उधर बिजी था, थोड़ा सा
Yes.
टेंशन था, थोड़ा सा, आपको भी पता है वो तो मैम।
हाँ जी। All the
लेकिन
very best, sir. And
लेकिन आप, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम, आपका जो पढ़ाने का जो नया अंदाज और नया तरीका हमें समझाया है, उसके लिए दिल की गहराइयों से शुक्रिया।
मोस्ट वेलकम सर। मुझे भी आप सबके साथ बहुत अच्छा लगा, जिस तरह से आप लोगों ने इस प्रोग्राम को एक्सेप्ट किया है, वो चीज बहुत मैटर करती है कि हम किस तरह से जो भी सिखा रहे हैं, जो भी हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं क्लास में, सिखाने वाली बात तो है ही नहीं, क्योंकि सब एजुकेटर्स हैं यहाँ पर। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं यहाँ पर कुछ सिखाने आई हूँ, मैं तो शेयर करने आई हूँ। जो मुझे आता है वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने आई हूँ।
जी जी
तो
Thank you, ma'am.
सबने जिस तरह से एक्सेप्ट किया है, उसको एक्नॉलेज किया है, वो बहुत बहुत मायने रखता है मेरे लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका।
ओके, सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन दिस सर्टिफिकेट सर।
थैंक
ये भी आपको शादी के सर्टिफिकेट जैसा तो नहीं लगा?
नहीं नहीं, शादी शादी में तो दोनों का नाम होता है, इसमें तो एक ही है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, वही तो।
दूसरा ढूंढने जाना पड़ेगा इसके लिए।
ये तो अब आप ये साइन करके जैसे दे दोगे ना अपनी वाइफ को, बॉन्ड साइन करके दे दिया ये।
ठीक है।
हाँ जी। ओके ओके, सो nurturing awareness with a noble goal.
Who's it, ma'am?
अब स्पेलिंग गलत हो गई वो तो मैं नहीं कह सकती।
Nawaz.
Nawang, sir, Nawang. Nawang Parda.
That's Nawang.
Okay.
So,
Sir Palgan, ma'am.
yes, so this is
Thank you.
Nawang. Congratulations, Nawang. So we have two types of spellings with us, so we didn't really know which one we have to use. Okay. So शिक्षा की जोत जलाते रहिए and हर धुआं का दीप जगाते रहिए. Congratulations. God bless.
Congratulations, sir.
ज्ञान का दीप।
Yes, but I can't. Okay, I think not available. Many many congratulations. I think हमें सर्टिफिकेट में भी स्पेलिंग चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. If the spelling is different, do let me know and I will get it changed accordingly. So there could be some confusion. So I'll be sending you the soft copies first. Please have a look at your certificates, and if there is a change of spelling, please do let me know so that when the hard copies are sent, at least you have the right spelling in your certificates. And even the soft copies should have the right spelling, right? So do let me know about it. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Congratulations. And
Always. Always.
where is Always?
He's not there, I think.
He was here. I saw him.
Yes.
It's not showing up.
How does our IT sir not be available? How can he say my net is not working?
That's
Okay. So, always many congratulations. Maybe when you join back or watch the video, you'll get the wishes from us. So, this is for Always. He's always added a lot of value to the sessions. He's been a great learner, very positive. It's always great to interact with him. And I wish him all the very best. So it's Always who brings tech with a wizard's spark, turning classrooms into a futuristic park. And even during the Sparkle session, he added a lot of value to all the elements of Sparkle. So he beautifully tried to set the tone of the class and add certain things which I was really looking forward to. So I wish him all the very best and God bless him with more and more success. And may he keep advancing computer for the school because it's necessary now. In fact, now when we have to keep all the records online and, so you require a lot of help coming from his side, right? So, so he really has to get up and help everybody, सबके personal students के records बनाने and, so all of that will have to come from him. So let's see. उनके shoulders पे बहुत सारी responsibilities आने वाली हैं. And I wish him all the very best. Okay, so this teacher of ours is patient and kind, adding smiles to sums. Yes.
Palak ma'am.
Loving mentor, always positive, and keeping learning fun. Palak, all the very best. Many congratulations.
Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am.
So we have this 1-year-old baby now. So with us, who has also attended the TTT program twice, right?
Yes, ma'am, right.
So the most exciting part is that last year also Palak's baby was learning the program with us. And this year also the child is already proficient with the skills. So कोई कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा तो Palak, take him to school. Your child is going to help you.
मैम मुझे भी लगता है लाना पड़ेगा उसको जैसे उसकी हरकतें.
So we were discussing the other day, and so I was telling Palak, I said, your little baby is actually a born teacher. So, so was एक.
Ma'am, he's smiling right now.
Ah, see?
He's smiling right now.
बिल्कुल सब समझ आ रहा है उसे. Hi, baby.
आपकी बातें सुन रहा है, आपकी बातें सुन के मैम.
Good. That's nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Palak, would you like to say something?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. आपने इतना सपोर्ट, इतना मोटिवेट, इतना इंस्पायर हम टीचर्स को किया, जिसके बारे में मुझे सच में नहीं पता था हमारे अंदर इतनी एबिलिटीज हैं. और तंग तो मैं आपको करूंगी मैम बीच में या कभी भी. एंड yes ma'am, and I will do my best in future for my students, and I wish you the best for give me the trainings in future.
Thank you, Palak. And तंग तो आपका बनता है करना, पता है क्यों? Because अगर आप लोग मुझे तंग नहीं करोगे तो मुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि वहां कुछ इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ भी है कि नहीं. So the
We
more
are very
questions,
excited to see you in play.
the more questions I get from you, I'll get to know हाँ कुछ हो रहा है स्कूल में, हलचल है, सब चल रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
So वो तभी पता चलेगा. अगर शांति होगी तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि क्या क्या इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ, right?
Right, ma'am. Right.
Okay, so
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ma'am Palak.
Palak ma'am makes
Thank you so much.
easy and neat, turning numbers into a rhythmic beat. And I'm sure you will continue doing this. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, Palak, congratulations. Now, before we move ahead, okay, let's engage into a small activity. Is everybody in for that?
Yeah, sure,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sure,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So, how many of us are fond of music?
I am, ma'am. Most of us would be.
Yes? Is everybody fond of music?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So, I have a musical quiz for you all. Okay. And just a moment. I don't want any to be missed.
In your guidance, I now see the power in teaching the art to be. In every class, every through your guidance, I now see the power in teaching the art to be. Thank you for this time to do.
Sonam is practicing. I think she has composed something. We can hear you. We can hear
That's
you,
what
ma'am.
I've been
Sonam.
telling everyone. बताओ मुझे क्या लेना है वो सुनाने के लिए.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
songs, anything. Shaista is going to dance, I know. And so Shaista, I'm waiting for those black glasses of yours. You wear them and you do some kala chashma, chachda types. You know.
Here, ma'am.
Okay. So should I play it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you hear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Papa, देखो.
So you have to finish the song.
ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई साथी हो, मजा आए शायद. हंसी. वो बच्चों
नीले
please.
नीले अंबर पे I think.
Yeah,
Not
that's
Hanji.
नीले नीले अंबर पे ऐसा कुछ है मैम.
हाँ, वो पहले वाली लाइन तो सुना दी मैंने. आगे. Yamin, come on, Nadeem sir.
ऐसा कोई साथी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए.
Ah, perfect. Okay.
प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए.
ऐसा कोई प्रेमी
प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए.
जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाएं हम
तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम.
बाहों में मर जाए हम.
DDLG song, ma'am.
Yes, तो repeat करना है ना सुना के.
अच्छा, सुना के.
Shaista, you are almost there.
Yes, ma'am. But complete the lyrics, ma'am.
हाँ, lyrics.
क्या था गाना ही भूल गई. क्या था गाना.
देखा तो ये जाना.
हाँ, तुझे देखा तो ये जन्म प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम.
Perfect. Okay. Okay.
पल
तेरी
पल
खुशबू आती है मैम।
तेरी खुशबू आती है,
एक महका महका सा पैगाम
पैगाम
पैगाम लाती है।
Yes,
पल
perfect.
पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहते हो शायद।
और ये कितना मेरे जेंजी टीचर्स ने कितने सुना है ऐसे वाला गाना? सोनम सोनम
only the DDLJ one more.
रिंचन नहीं सुना।
No, ma'am. Only the DDLJ one I've heard.
इसको कुछ
एक महका महका सा पैगाम आती
मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए आके मुझे पता नहीं क्या
तड़पाए उसे कहो मेरे सामने तो आए।
तड़पाए नहीं, मुझे छेड़ जाए। कुछ तो जोड़ तोड़ के बन ही जाएगा। ओके
ये बच्चों
मुझे छेड़ जाए तेरे सामने तो आए।
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल
मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल।
ये सबको आता है। यस
आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए।
अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है क्या
क्या
कर
कर पाए कुछ कुछ
होता
होता
है।
है।
तो सरा
तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है क्या कराए।
शायद फिर से जन्म में
शायद इस जन्म में
मुलाकात हो।
मुलाकात हो ना हो।
मुलाकात हो न हो।
बिल्कुल नहीं नहीं, हम कर देंगे इस जन्म में मुलाकात, डोंट वरी।
अजीब ही रास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू का ये मंजिल है
कहाँ
कौन
शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी।
कौन सी न
न वो समझ सके न हम
हम
मुबारक है तुझे कि तुम किसी के दूर हो गए किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए। ना
यस
कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है
नहीं है।
जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है एक प्यार का नगमा है।
Okay, so that was just to check how many of us enjoy music.
We loved it, ma'am. We enjoyed it. Thank you.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
great.
We loved it. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you. And पता चल रहा है हमें रिहाना बहुत गाने गाती हैं और
Yes, ma'am. She's really a good singer.
है ना?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So please continue doing that. और अपने students को भी गाने सुनाते रहिए.
So this poem is dedicated to you. It's a short one.
Okay.
In your words, I find my way. With every lesson, every day, your wisdom lights the path I walk, a guiding star where dreams are led. Through your guidance, I now see the power in teaching, the art to be. A mentor like you is rare to find, and I'll carry your lessons in heart and mind. So thank you for everything, ma'am.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Lovely.
That's
Nice.
really sweet of you. Thank you so much, Sonam. I'm
Thank
gonna
you,
miss you.
Same here,
We
ma'am.
all-
I'll miss you too. Yes, ma'am. We'll miss you too.
And that is very emotional for me. And send it to me, though I'll have the recording. But I would
Okay,
want
ma'am.
the words with me. You know, I'm the old school person जिनको चिट्ठियां अच्छी लगती हैं. So,
Yes.
so I would love to have it with me and keep it with me. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so when last year when Sonam came, she was like, you know, she used to be so quiet and shy, and I used to tell her, Sonam, speak up. And when she would speak up so beautifully, and I would be like, itni knowledge hai, itna kuch hai, you know, there's so much enthusiasm. Why don't you speak up, Sonam? And she used to be shy. Ma'am, this is my first year at school, and you know, so she used to quietly listen all the time, and you know, I can see you so beautifully growing as an educator, and all the very best, Sonam.
Thank you, ma'am. It's all because of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so let's see who is next for us. Promoting richness in youthful aspirations. And I think she's not here. Any guesses?
Priya, ma'am.
Yes, Priya.
Priya, but
Where is Priya? Yeah, I've not met her since long. So all the very best to her. Please convey my regards and my love and everything. So Priya, congratulations. शब्दों की माला पिरोते रहिए and ज्ञान की गंगा बहाते रहिए. आपकी राहें सदा उजली हों. विद्यार्थियों के हृदय में हिंदी की ज्योति जलाते रहिए. So all the very best to Priya. And that's the certificate for her. Okay. So these lines,
Ma'am,
Shadu is very curiously looking at the screen.
Ma'am, Rinchan.
Yes, Rinchan. So, Rinchan, my sweetheart, radiating intelligence, nurturing curious hearts, and she's always enlightening the environment around her naturally. All the very best,
Thank
Rinchan,
you.
and many, many congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Possible success that you deserve in life.
Thank you, ma'am.
And would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you, ma'am. This whole journey was so inspirational for me, and whatever I have learned in this past 2 months, I will definitely going to implement all the things, ma'am. And you're such a sweetheart to us, ma'am, especially. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And
Yes,
मुझे तो अभी
ma'am.
भी रिंचन को देख के ना वो याद आ रहा है that fur वाला coat and that squirrel वाली.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So, you know, we sometimes built up such lovely memories that they'll always be there and they don't fade away with time. So
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm
Thank you
sure
so
all
much.
the fun that you added during this entire program, I'm sure you're going to take that to your classroom and you're going to enlighten your classrooms as always. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So with Rinchin, wisdom's never rare. She polishes minds with utmost care. Yes, she does.
Thank you. Thank you once again, ma'am.
And
Congratulations.
so
Thank you, ma'am.
and all the workshops that you get to attend, go and flaunt all that you've learned.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for everything.
I'm sure that the other schools and that the other educators get jealous of my group of teachers who know more than them.
Yes, ma'am. We're definitely going to shine off, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I would like to sing a song.
Waiting.
Nice.
Please.
Ma'am, since everyone is singing, I thought even I should hum a bit.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So this is the
मुझे गिटार
song which,
बजाना आता होता तो मैं जरूर बजाती.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, so this is the song which I'm listening to nowadays a lot, and it's on my playlist nowadays for quite a long time. Yes, ma'am. I guess it's basically a Punjabi song, or it's a mix of Punjabi or Hindi. So yeah, ma'am, it's something like that.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So here it goes. ਪੀੜਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸੀਨੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਪੀੜਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸੀਨੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਦੁੱਖਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੜ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਲੱਭੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਛਾਵਾਂ ਦੁੱਖਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੜ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਲੱਭੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਛਾਵਾਂ ਦੁੱਖ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੁੱਖ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਬਸੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਕੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਝੂਮ 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 That's it. Thank you, ma'am.
My
Nice.
God.
Nice.
Amazing. ये
Thank you,
कहाँ
ma'am.
आप कौन से प्रोफेशन में आ गए हो भाई? You
Her voice is really good.
So sometime I like to sing a bit, ma'am. Yeah, it's
Please,
kind of hobby.
we need to use this talent. I'm
Thank you,
sure
ma'am.
all
Thank you.
your fellow educators have now heard you, and bas, every staff meeting, every day, every lunch break, Rinchin is going to sing for everyone, right?
Definitely.
You're a rock star, Rinchin.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
So
so much.
you've
Thank
learned
you.
you've learned singing from somewhere, or is just
No, ma'am. So I just love to sing in my room. So that's it, ma'am.
okay? Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Okay. So, who is this lovely educator who radiates positivity all the time, who has
Ma'am Razia.
been inspiring the minds, guiding with fun, zealous about math,
Rigzil Dawa, ma'am. Rigzil Dawa.
Rigzin.
instilling
Rigzin, ma'am.
confidence in everyone and nurturing young problem solvers. Rigzin sir, kahan hai aap? Acha, haan, he told me he's also not keeping well. And I think he said he won't be able to join. I was really looking forward to meet him. But health is wealth. I wish him all the best for his health. And may he recover soon and be back to his role very soon. So many congratulations, Rigzin sir. And he's been really good with during the sessions, all the participation that he showed and all the efforts that he had put in. He even taught us one of the mathematical concept. If you remember, I think Asmat was there that day, and there were a few other teachers there when he was conducting the session. So it was really good. So all the very best, Rigzin, and I'm sure you're going to take all that we've learned here to your classroom and you're going to make it fun. And God bless you. So with Rigzin, numbers find their beat. Maths and song, both fun and sweet. Many, many congratulations to him. God bless him. And so this time, I would say that our male educators, though they were during the batch sessions, they might be here and there, joining in, leaving, again coming in, going, or whatever. But every time that I've had a separate session with them, they've actually surprised me with their inputs and with a lot of knowledge that they all have. So yes, our male power has also tried to prove themselves equal. They've been struggling to prove themselves equal, but they've managed it this time. So all the very best to all the male teachers as well. Okay. Radiating warmth, encouraging curiosity, hugging little dreams. This teacher adds magic. She's been nurturing minds and she's always there. Ma'am Rihanna. It has been a pleasure spending time with you. Lots that we've shared, we've talked, and it's been great fun, Rihanna. All the very best. And you also sing very well. So maybe आप साथ में ताल से ताल मिलाकर आप कर्मा सर रिंचन आप सब मिलकर एक म्यूजिक बैंड खोल सकते हैं. So God bless you, Rihanna. Many, many congratulations. So with Rihanna, stories unfold, lessons wrapped in wisdom's gold. God bless you. Congratulations. आप म्यूट पे हो.
सॉरी मैम, थैंक यू. थैंक यू सो मच. यहाँ से मैं थैंक यू बोलती जा रही, मैंने म्यूट की तरफ नजर ही नहीं दिया.
अब बोलिए, अब आप बताइए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला आपसे. पहले तो बाकी टीचर्स को भी नहीं जानते थे, थोड़ा झिझक था, थोड़ा डर था. इसके बाद धीरे धीरे आपके सपोर्ट, आपकी गाइड की वजह से पता ही नहीं चला 2 महीने कैसे निकल गए. Thank you for everything, ma'am. Everything, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rihanna. It's been wonderful knowing you, and let us stay in touch and let us continue knowing each other more and more each day. All the very best.
जरूरत पड़ेंगे बहुत. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. ये तो आई थिंक रीड भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले ही पता चल जाता है. So where is our notorious Razia? She was here. Where has she gone? She showed her face. And जैसे उसका नाम आने लगता है, सब इधर उधर हो जाते हैं. हाँ, Razia.
She's there. Congratulations.
Very radiant teacher. Zesty, and she's an inspiration, and she's just truly amazing, and I love you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So Razia, congratulations, all the very best. नए टॉपिक्स हैं और टॉपिक्स को अपने क्लास में लेके जाना है और ज्यादा मस्ती के साथ पढ़ाना है. अब तो मैंने आपको वो करा दिया जो आपको एक्चुअल में मजा आता कराने में. सो अब स्पार्कल तो आपकी क्लास में पूरा फुल स्विंग में दिखना चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. We'll try.
Yes. So giggles and learning all in one place. Razia's class is going to be full of grace. It has always been, and I'm sure it's going to continue that way.
Thank you.
Razia, would you like to say something?
Congratulations, ma'am, Razia.
Thank you, everyone. So, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you all. So I have learned so many from this platform, and I'll surely try my best to make this teaching career so meaningful. And thank you for the inspiration. Thank you for gaining my confidence. I told you earlier. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Just keep smiling. You have $1 million smile, and I think that's the best thing that you can share with everybody at school. किसी का भी मूड खराब होगा, बस रजिया ने स्माइल करके दिखा देना.
She's the sweetest, mom. She's the sweetest.
Yes,
always smiling.
We have $1 million smile.
I think I don't know, but मतलब जितना मुझे पता, I think she's the naughtiest also.
Yes, ma'am. She makes fun all the time, and we enjoy being with her.
So I'm sure ये सब मिलके ना, शामीन, रजिया और ये सब मिलके बहुत शैतानियां करते होंगे, बच्चों से भी ज्यादा. So
yes, ma'am.
which is so required at school, because the kind of stress that teachers have at school, it's very important to have naughtiness happening all the time. So
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो आपका स्किल सेट है ना, इसको हमेशा मेंटेन रखना.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
So,
Thank you, ma'am.
all the best.
We'll miss you.
Yes, both of definitely. I'm also going to do. I'm gonna miss.
रजिया स्कूल खुलते मिठाई लाना, ठीक है?
क्या हुआ शामीन?
ठीक है शामीन.
मैम मैंने बोला रजिया को कि स्कूल खुलते ही मिठाई लाना.
हाँ.
इंशाल्लाह. Sure.
पिछले साल भी आप दोनों लड्डू के पीछे लड़ रहे थे. आई एम श्योर इस साल भी कुछ लड्डू वाला सीन होगा. So please,
बीच में से लड्डू कोई और ले जाएगा.
है ना भाई. So please रजिया लड्डू लेकर प्लीज खिला देना सबको. अब
ठीक है. इस बार तो पक्का.
Okay. So we have this lovely teacher who is spreading hope to every student. She is enlightening the hearts in literal sense and nurturing aspirations zealously.
Shenaz ma'am.
Shenaz, yes,
Thank you,
Shenaz.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Shenaz भी हमारी भारी भरकम सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाती हैं, जो बट बहुत ही religiously, बहुत ही dedication के साथ. And I've always seen that spirit in her. You know, she wants to bring in new ideas and implement them in such a way that सब कुछ जो है वो बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ जाए. So that's the spirit that every teacher must have. And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So proud of you, Shenaz. All the
Thank
very
you.
best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so अच्छा spelling please. Shenaz, आपने यहाँ पर कोई सर्टिफिकेट पे
Yes,
कुछ और
sir.
है और मेरी लिस्ट में कोई और है. So you need to give me the correct spelling for your certificate, because I
Okay,
think
ma'am. I'll
last year
send.
भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ था. So please give me the
Yes,
correct.
I'll send, ma'am, the correct spelling.
Yes, okay. So with Shenaz, learning is bright. She sparks your mind like stars at night. And वो
Thank you.
sparkle जो है वो बहुत जरूरी है, because that's how students are going to remain enlightened all the time. Would you like to add something, Shenaz?
First of all, from the core of my heart, I want to thank you, Ma'am Asta, for your understanding, for your cooperation, and for your guidance during this class. And whatever we learn during this, and each and every topic, I think it's very important for the well-being of the student and the teacher as well as, and I think for the society also. Now, I said something about that. Never stop learning at any age. If you stop learning, you will become like stagnant. When the water stagnant, it stink. It is not drinkable, and no one wants to swim in it. If you are not updated, you are outdated. Learning is most important thing in your life. If you want to move forward in life, then you should always have the greed to learn new things. And during this class, मैंने ये सीखा कि never stop learning. जब आप कुछ सीखते हैं तभी आप अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं. And I think मैं भी कोशिश करूंगी कि जो चीज मैंने आपसे सीखा during this class, I try my best to implement all the skills and all the things that I learned during this class. I implement in my class also. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so this lovely teacher of ours is always shining. She's always helping, and she's having a lot of laddus also sometimes.
Shamin ma'am.
Yes. And she's adoring the minds, energizing every nurtured star in her class. Every child is a star in her class, right? So Shamin, many, many congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
You've also been a superhero in this particular term. And God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shamin, would you like to add something? Would you like to say something?
Nothing as such, ma'am. I've written something for you, so I'll just read it out for you.
Please.
So this is to my mentor. Through trials and lessons, side by side, you have been my compass, my trusted guide. With wisdom deep and patience true, you shaped my path and helped me through. Your words ignite a steady flame,
a light that carries more than name. You saw my worth when doubt was near and gave me strength to persevere. So here's my thanks, both deep and wide, for standing always by my side, a mentor and a teacher whose impact knows no start and or end. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, Shami. Means a lot. And
Ma'am, though I have missed many sessions, but I always I have tried to cope with them, and then I have gone through all the written assignment as well. So whatever that I've learned from the day I've joined, I'll definitely implement it in my classes as well, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am.
thank you, Shami. Been a very strong educator always, and I'm really, really proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And even in tough times, when I see you smiling, I feel very good about it. And, you actually reflect that woman power. That's very important. As a woman, there is so much that we take on our shoulders, and there's so much that we have to handle. And even in such tough situations, when you maintain your smile and when you keep participating, keep fulfilling your duties, that shows the superpower that every woman has. So God
Yes,
bless
ma'am.
you, and all
Thank
the
you so
very
much,
best.
ma'am.
Congratulations, Ma'am Shami.
And I'm sure अभी next जब भी हमारा सेशन होगा या जब भी मैं वहां पर आऊंगी तो आप सब everybody is going to talk about how जो problems थी वो सब खत्म हो गई हैं, and you're all now getting up for new things coming up. So
Yes, ma'am. Hopefully, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
all the best, Shameen, and many, many
Thank you, ma'am.
congratulations. Shameen makes little stars glow bright with kindness, laughter, and pure delight. So your USP is your wonderful smile. तो उसको तो हमेशा अपने साथ रखना और सबके साथ शेयर करते रहना.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, congratulations, Shameen. And share
Thank you, ma'am.
those lines with me. Please send them to me.
Ma'am,
Shireen.
Hi,
Ma'am,
Shireen.
Surbhi ma'am.
Surabhi ma'am.
So, Surbhi ma'am, yes. Where is Surbhi ma'am?
She didn't join it.
I don't think so. She's joined. So, Surbhi, many, many congratulations. When you get to see this video, please take all the love that I want to share with you. Okay. Spreading unique rhythms, bringing Hindi to life instantly. She was there in the language classes with me. And then after that, of course, because of the curriculum changing, she could not join in. So all the very best, Surbhi. Surbhi's words are a poetic delight, turning Hindi lessons into pure insight. And I'm sure she's going to continue doing that. God bless her with a lot of success. And congratulations, Surbhi. Please do share my congratulations with her. Asmat, if you get a chance to speak to her, please do that.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Stories come alive, unmatched creativity, making Hindi fun, artistic, and dynamic.
Ma'am Suman.
Ma'am, Suman ma'am.
Ma'am Suman.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So Suman ma'am ने तो इस बारी काफी कमाल किया है. We're really proud of her. And
धन्यवाद ma'am.
and the best was when when it was Suman, right? Suman's mic was left on, and when she was sharing about her.
Yes, ma'am. तभी वो दोनों मेरा मजाक बना रहे थे कि देखना इस बार भी आपका माइक ऑन न रह जाए और हमसे बात करने लग जाए.
बट वही तो मजा आता है.
Yes ma'am. वो भी फन था.
Yes. So lovely to see you, Suman. This was the first time that we were together, and I thoroughly enjoyed your contribution and your insight. And
Thank you so much, ma'am.
As an educator,
Thank you so
all the
much.
very best. I'm sure you're going to do wonders, even more wonders in your sessions.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
So congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hindi dance and play. A new adventure every day. Suman's words are a lyrical spree, bringing Hindi to life so effortlessly. And yes, absolutely. I've seen you effortlessly taking care of everything that you teach in the class. So keep it up. God bless.
धन्यवाद मैम.
Okay, so who's this lovely teacher of ours? Sharpening opinions, nurturing
मैम सोनम मैम
great minds.
Ma'am Sona.
Ma'am Sona, the lady in red.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sona, many congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep it up, keep bringing in your innovative ideas and keep making your classes wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sonam's words are sharp and fine, like a poem that flows in perfect rhyme.
Thank you, ma'am.
आज तो हमें पोएट्री भी सुनने को मिल गई है. So keep it up, Sonam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Looking forward to seeing you there at school, and I'm sure you're going to do a lot of magic there. You'll continue doing a lot of interesting things. So, Sonam, this is for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. फ्रेम करा के लगा देना, पिछले साल वाला सर्टिफिकेट भी है आपके पास. Okay. So, who is this lovely teacher? Smart and creative, harnessing young minds, adding excitement, inspiring curiosity. She's spreading joy all the time, teaching playfully, a burst of energy.
Shaista ma'am.
हमारे डिटेक्टिव साहिबा.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Shaista.
Well, thank you, ma'am.
You've been a surprise
Thank you, ma'am.
package, and I'm really proud of you. Keep it up. वही सब चीजें, वही सब enthusiasm जो यहाँ पर हमने देखा है, उसे क्लास में भी लेकर जाना and staff room में भी लेकर जाना. Keep adding value to the meaningful journey that you are on. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Would you like to add something, Shaista?
I want to say thank you, ma'am, and my also my colleagues. They added their experiences. They shared their experience or personal problems during the classes, and I learn many from them also. And thanks to everyone and for everything.
Thank you, Shaista. Shaista's lessons bloom and grow, nature's wonders in a perfect flow. All the very best. God bless you.
Thank you.
And congratulations.
Once again, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Who's this? I can't see her here.
Shakila.
Ma'am,
Shakila.
हाँ जी, आ गई मैम. So this is for Shakila. Smart, hands-on, analytical, knowledgeable, engaging, energetic. She's been very lively and very amazing. So,
Yeah, ma'am.
Shakila, where is my
Yeah, there.
हमारी दूसरी शकीला मैम का है.
जी. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपका दिल की गहराई से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगी मैम. आपने हमारे इल्म में बहुत इजाफा किया, तो मैं यही कोशिश करूंगी जो आपने हमें पढ़ाया, तो इसके हिसाब से क्लास में जाऊंगी. ठीक आपने जो हमें इल्म सिखाया था, तो उस पर पूरे तजुर्बा करने की कोशिश करूंगी. मैडम, आपके साथ इस ट्रेनिंग में काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. जी मैम.
थैंक यू मैम. मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपने बहुत अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया हर पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे, एंड बहुत ही अच्छे से इनपुट्स दिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब टू वे कम्युनिकेशन हो, जब सब आपस में बताएं, डिस्कशंस करें, सजेशंस दें कि हम इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को आगे कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं, हम इसमें क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं. जो वैल्यू एडेड चीजें आप लोगों ने बताई हैं और शेयर करी हैं, वो बहुत मैटर करती हैं. एंड हाँ, लैंग्वेज टीचर्स का इस बारी अलग से कोशिश करी हमने कि हम जितना इन्वॉल्व कर सकें करें. तो बिकॉज शुरू से हैबिट मुझे ऐसा नहीं, मैं ऑफ कोर्स मैं हिंदी स्पीकिंग हूँ, बट क्लास इंग्लिश में देने की हैबिट है, तो इसलिए होता है कि बीच में इंग्लिश वर्ड्स आ जाते हैं, तो उसके लिए माफी चाहूंगी। कोशिश बहुत करी कि मैं जितना हिंदी मेंटेन कर सकूं करूं, बट आदत नहीं है क्लास में इतनी लैंग्वेज को लेकर बोलने की। बट हाँ, मातृभाषा पे फोकस जरूर करना चाहिए मुझे। और तो
जी मैम, आपने हमें हिंदी में पढ़ाया, स्पेशल टाइम निकाल के, इसके लिए आपसे आपकी हम बहुत मशकूर है। तो हम दुआ करते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला आप के इल्म में और इजाफा हो, और हमें इसी तरीके से आप ट्रेनिंग देते रहिएगा, हम यही उम्मीद करेंगे इंशाल्लाह।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। आपके बहाने, वही मैं कह रही हूँ, आपके बहाने मुझे हिंदी में पढ़ाने का मौका मिला, क्योंकि सारे जितने भी मॉड्यूल्स होते हैं वो मुझे आदत इंग्लिश में ही है पढ़ाने की। तो अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करिए कि हिंदी जितनी
आपने
यूज कर
हमारा
सकते
ख्याल
हैं।
किया दीदी।
तो और यूज करनी भी चाहिए। बहुत अच्छा लगा कि अपनी ही लैंग्वेज को हम लोग उतना यूज नहीं करते जितना अ, अंग्रेजों की छोड़ी हुई लैंग्वेज को करते हैं। तो कोशिश तो करी पूरी मैंने। आगे भी कोशिश करूंगी कि इसी तरह मेरी भी थोड़ी सी हिंदी ना और ज्यादा साफ होती जाएगी, अच्छी होती जाएगी। कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो अ, शब्द होते हैं जो हम अंग्रेजी में यूज करते हैं। मैं पूरी कोशिश रहेगी कि अब जब पढ़ाऊं और स्पेशली लैंग्वेज टीचर्स को पढ़ाऊं तो जो लैंग्वेज है उसी हिसाब से शब्द यूज करने की कोशिश करूं।
शुक्रिया मैम, दिल की गहराई से शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू मैम। ओके, सो वी हैव हमारी जो दूसरी शकीला मैम हैं, उनके लिए भी आई थिंक शी इज नॉट हेयर राइट नाउ। ओके, सो I have an English message for her. Innovative and wise with a curious mind. A science teacher, one of a kind, smart and sharp with lessons engaging, turning each class into something amazing. So when she was contributing for the Sparkle session, there was a lot of innovation that she had added, and I could actually see her adding value to it. So all the very best, Shakira. God bless you. And
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। शुक्रिया मैम,
Congratulations, family.
जजाकल्ला, शुक्रिया शुक्रिया मैम, थैंक यू।
okay, and so we have a smart, humble, reflective, very expressive, always encouraging and nurturing teacher.
Shireen ma'am.
Shireen, yes. So do we have Shireen here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
हाँ जी मैम, थैंक यू। आपने आपके साथ बहुत मजा आया। एंड
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया मैम। इस बार हमारा फर्स्ट टाइम था, मुझे लगा पता नहीं कैसी होगी मैम, वेकेशन कैसा निकलेगा, हेक्टिक में वेकेशन चला जाएगा, बट मजाक मजाक मैम पता ही नहीं चला कैसे वेकेशन भी निकल गया, अपना ट्रेनिंग भी चला गया। सो थैंक यू मैम सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
प्लेजर मैम, एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
थैंक यू मैम।
Congratulations, ma'am.
इसी तरह से अपनी क्लास को भी रोशन करिए जैसे
I'll
आप।
try my best, ma'am. Thank you.
सो खेल खेल में सीखना, हर पल नए रंग, शिरीन के सबक में छुपी है उमंग।
Yeah, Umang. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. So, congratulations and God bless
Thank
you,
you.
Balaji.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
family.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this is for we have another Shakida ma'am. अब ये वाला एक्चुअल में हमारे जो शकीदा मैम के लिए पहले था वो है नहीं यहाँ पर। So congratulations शकीदा मैम। अब ये आपके लिए है इल्म का दीप, मोहब्बत का नूर, शकीदा के अल्फाज हैं बहुत मशहूर। एंड आपके कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए, आपके एफर्ट्स के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड मेनी मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस। Teaching and spreading knowledge, nurturing inspired minds always.
तस्नीमा
मैम,
तस्नीमा बहुत से देख रहे हैं कि ये है तो मेरा ही, कोई गेस क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा?
मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया।
हाँ जी, तस्नीमा, many many congratulations once again, and thank
मैम
as always, you've been wonderful. I've loved spending time with you. I've loved learning things from you, and so notes बनाए हुए मैंने, जितनी आपने मुझे सिखाने की कोशिश करी थोड़ी उर्दू।
I have one beautiful shairi for you, ma'am.
Please, please, please. I would love to hear it.
Okay. So आप सब बोलिए इरशाद इरशाद, ठीक है?
पक्का पक्का मैम।
पक्का मैम प्लीज।
ओके। उस्ताद बताता है, आम
इरशाद।
उस्ताद
इरशाद।
अच्छा उस्ताद वजाहत करता है, वजाहत करने का मतलब है क्लैरिफाई करता है। अच्छा उस्ताद क्लैरिफाई करता है, आला उस्ताद मुजाहिरा करता है, अजीम उस्ताद मुतासिर करता है। शुक्रिया।
इरशाद इरशाद इरशाद
Now, ma'am,
इरशाद।
translate,
वाह
please.
वाह 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 वाह।
उस्ताद वजाहत करता है मींस
तस्नीमा
वजाहत
मैम।
क्लैरिफाई।
Okay.
ओके आला उस्ताद मुजाहिरा करता है, जो मतलब सुपीरियर ग्रेट टीचर्स होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, फील्ड पे आके कोशिश करते हैं। देन अजीम अजीम मैग्निफिसेंट टीचर्स क्या करते हैं, मुतासिर करते हैं यानी इंस्पायर करते हैं, एंड दैट इज यू।
Okay.
नाइस।
तो सभी
थैंक यू
एजुकेटर्स यहाँ पर अजीम हैं।
यस
मैम,
मैम।
दैट ऑल द टीचर्स।
थैंक यू।
Thank you,
नाइस।
Taslima. Thanks a ton.
सो
And
मच।
all the very best. You are a
थैंक यू।
wonderful person, and not just an educator, but a wonderful person. I'm so glad to have met you, and you are actually an inspiration. So
थैंक
God
यू
bless.
मैम। थैंक
Congratulations मैम।
थैंक यू मैम।
Congratulations, Taslima.
थैंक यू
And
मैम।
Taslima's lessons flow like a stream. Urdu is beauty, a poet's dream. All the
थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
God bless you.
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay. Young and noble guide, cultivating hearts and enriching knowledge.
Yanchan ma'am.
Yes,
मैम।
Yanchan. Yanchan, I saw Yanchan.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ, Yanchan. So, मेरे पास अटेंडेंस रिकॉर्ड्स में चेक कर रही थी, so उसमें मेरे पास अच्छन, यांगचन, then I had Xiaomi, I had iPhone, and I was like, so ये इतने सारे टीचर्स कहाँ से प्रकट हुए? And then I had to get in touch with Ishi, and then she kept updating. ये किनका नाम है, ये किनका? I was like, yeah, I remember. Okay, so Achan, many congratulations. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations मैम।
Would you like to
Thank
say
you, ma'am.
something, Achan?
मैं सबसे पहले मैम अस्तर से थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ मैम। हमें ट्रेनिंग के दौरान बहुत कुछ सिखाया मैम, एसटीएम के बारे में, पीटीएम, स्पेयर ग्रुप, इसलिए मुझे सब कुछ पता चल गया मैम जी। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच कहना चाहती हूँ मैम।
Okay, thank you, Achan. And I'm sure इतना कुछ आपने अब जो बताया कि आप अपने साथ लेके जा रहे हैं, I'm sure आप उसको अप्लाई करेंगे, and बहुत
जी
मजा
मैम।
आने वाला है जब हम ये सब चीजें स्कूल में एक्चुअल में इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. So
जी मैम।
we are
जी मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
we are going to become famous for sure. Okay, congratulations. God bless you.
थैंक यू मैम।
So Yanchan's wisdom shines so bright, a guiding star, a learning light. Take this with you and apply it to your class as you've always been doing. And I'm sure
थैंक यू
your
मैम सो
career
मच
graph
मैम।
is going to take you up the ladder.
थैंक यू मैम। ओके मैम।
Okay. And
थैंक यू मैम।
thank you, Achan.
थैंक यू मैम।
So this teacher has zeal for creativity, a heart of gold, radiating with warmth all the time, inspiring every age, nurturing talent, and she's an artistic soul.
Zahira.
मैम
जरीना।
Yes,
जरीना।
Zarina.
Ma'am
Where
Zarina.
is Zarina?
Ma'am Zarina. Zarina is not here, ma'am.
Oh, Zarina, we are missing you. So, all the very best, Zarina, and many, many congratulations. Zarina paints the world so bright with colors, stories, and pure delight. And she is a very soft-hearted, very, very loving teacher, and I'm sure she's gonna get that confidence in her to apply all that we've tried learning here. And I'm sure that next year when I meet her, she's going to be, with all that, that Abhi wo just soft rabbit heart hai, or strong heart, lioness wala heart aayega. So all the best to Zarina. God bless her. And we have, last but not the least, a very darling teacher who is zealous. She beautifully articulates, and she's harmonious, a true inspiration, very radiant, very, very radiant, and very admirable.
Zahira, ma'am.
Yes. Zahira, please keep spreading your smile always and keep using your beautiful voice to inspire your students. You have a lovely voice.
Yes.
I would love to continue listening to you when you're talking, because that's the kind of mesmerizing voice you have. So keep it up. God bless you.
Thank you.
So, congratulations.
Thank you,
Congratulations, ma'am.
Would you like to say something, Zahira?
Yeah, I just want to say thanks from the core of my heart for such a wonderful training program, and I will really learn a lot from you, and surely I will try to apply whatever you have taught to us. And जैसे सबने कहा, I also want to be in touch with you to clear the doubts which I will face.
Please
Thank
do that. Please do that. See,
Yes.
the way she talks, you want to listen to her all the time. You have such a lovely voice. कभी बच्चों को डांटा है, Zahira?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you scold them? You scold them in such a sweet voice, they will not listen to you. Okay.
Thank
All the
Thank
best. Many, many congratulations. So she's
Thank you, ma'am.
with warmth all the time, filling hearts with light, a pleasant presence, a guiding star, spreading wisdom, shining afar. God bless you, Zahira. All the very best.
Thank you.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of this wonderful felicitation, wherein I wanted to share all that you've earned during the process. And Uwais is here. Uwais, are you here? Okay, so he's somewhere working on the laptop, probably.
Ma'am, sir, always, I think he's on his way today, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So but there was something that he wanted to share with us. So I thought I want to share something very, very emotional with all of you, but I would probably do that maybe later on the group. Because I want everybody to watch it and everybody to be a part of it. Yeah, so if Uwais is here, there was something that he wanted to share. He messaged me that he would be doing that. That I think he is connected, but not connected with us. Okay, so anything that you would all like to say before we end?
I would like to say something, ma'am. So once again, I thank you, ma'am. On behalf of all the teachers, I extend my deepest gratitude to you and also your team members who were associated with it. Without their efforts, it was not possible. So yes, it was really a wonderful journey. We could learn a lot, and I'm very sure implementing and practicing the module that we had would definitely help our school grow and develop. And yes, ma'am, I want you to know that what you do is truly amazing, ma'am. I know you already know it, but then still, I would not stop myself from saying it again and again. What you do is really inspiring. There is so much beauty, there is so much excellence in what you do. And I don't think there's anything you can't do. So we are really inspired by you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Keep inspiring us. And also, may the charm, the spark, and the energy you have, may it never diminish, ma'am. So may you keep growing, may you keep inspiring us. And also to all the other fellow teachers, I would like to congratulate once again. So as we all know that such training programs help us grow professionally, and also it helps us do our work effectively, and it helps us to take care of our own well-being as well. That's how we enjoy working what we do, and there is so much beauty in what we do. And yes, that you all need to keep cherishing this profession. It's really very rewarding and really gratifying. That's what I wanted to say. Thank you once again, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Ishi. And you keep talking about when you say such words, coming from someone like you, who's actually such a big inspiration. I always keep telling everybody, even to the people in my office, and everybody, even in my family, I keep talking about you, everybody else as well. But when specifically with a leader like you, I think the team can never fail with a leader like you. So I'm sure that you're going to, and I'm sure everybody agrees to what I'm saying. In fact, I've heard a lot of people appreciating you behind your back. Okay, so when people appreciate you behind your back, it shows that they really love you. And so
Thank you so much. It really means a lot. It's really encouraging for me. Thank you.
So all the very best, and thank you for your lovely words. And I hope that I continue being in touch with you all, and we all, it's not just your school. I think it has become my school as well, because there's lots that I want to see the school bringing in. And like Asmat said, it's very important that we have the implementation of all that we have discussed here. So all the best to all of us. And
Thank you, ma'am.
Like in the
Thank you.
beginning we spoke, before we end, I just want to thank all the language teachers also, because आप सबने जो let me try a few words, जो जिज्ञासा है आप सब में, जो समर्पण आप अपने बच्चों के लिए करते हैं, हर विद्यार्थी के लिए, वो बहुत मैटर करता है. एंड जो the biggest thing is the way each one of you supports each other. You hardly get to see this in the world around, and I mean that from my heart, because I've seen हर टीचर को यहाँ पर, मैं कोशिश करूंगी हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोलूं ताकि आप सबको मेरा मैसेज अच्छे से कन्वे हो. सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ आप लोगों की है जो आप एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते हो. There is a saying, a very beautiful saying about teachers that Robert John की है ये saying, wherein he said that the most valuable resource that all teachers have, जो हमने रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट भी किया था इस बारी, राइट? तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, सबसे वैल्यूएबल रिसोर्स क्या है जानते हैं आप सबका एक दूसरे के लिए होना. So the most valuable resource that the teachers have is having each other. So without collaboration, things would not turn out to be the way we want. So being there for each other and supporting each other, जो भी हमारे में जो कहीं पर भी कोई भी कमी रह जाए तो एक दूसरे को कवर अप करना, वो सब चीजें बहुत मैटर करती हैं, और वो मैं एक्चुअल में आपके ग्रुप में देखी है मैंने हर बारी. So many congratulations for having that kind of feeling in you. I think स्कूल के अगर pillars of strength आप सब हैं, तो वो सारे pillars of strength एक दूसरे के लिए भी खड़े हैं, और वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है. So that's something that I think you all should clap for each other for being such wonderful educators. And also
thank you so much.
I want to thank you, because मैं जो भी आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, पढ़ा नहीं रही हूँ, मैं फिर रिपीट कर रही हूँ, मैं पढ़ा नहीं रही हूँ, मैं बस शेयर कर रही हूँ, पढ़ तो आप खुद ही रहे हैं. एंड वो जब आप रेसिप्रोकेट करते हैं इतना लव और रिस्पेक्ट के साथ, वो बहुत बहुत वैल्यूएबल है मेरे लिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच. It is not just a professional bond, it's a very very close personal bond that I have with each one of you. So thank you for being there. Thank you for your utmost support that you've given at every session, every class. हर पल जो आप लोगों ने support दिया उसके लिए thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
God bless you all.
Thank you, everyone.
so much, ma'am.
And please take
Shukriya,
care.
ma'am.
Beautiful
Thank you
smile.
so much too, ma'am.
सो स्माइल करते रहिए, स्कूल जाइए मस्ती के साथ, एंड सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा होगा, एंड राइट, so God bless. Anyone else who would like to end it with something interesting?
Any song, maybe? Anyone?
Any song, maybe? मतलब मिलके कोई गाना गा सकते हैं हम।
Ma'am, Kamar would sing, ma'am.
हाँ,
He used to sing.
प्लीज
He
प्लीज
used to
प्लीज
sing.
कमर मैम प्लीज गाइए।
Okay, sorry.
कुछ भी नहीं, मैम रिंचन गाएगी पक्का अभी फिर से।
रिंचन गाइए, फिर हम आपके साथ गाएंगे। रिहाना, रिंचन, इतने सारे सिंगर्स तो आज हमने ढूंढ ही दिए।
Yes, ma'am. We'll sing together. हम होंगे कामयाब.
Yes. Okay, so everybody unmute. Let's sing it with Rinchan.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Right now, I'm not actually remembering the lyrics of हम होंगे कामयाब, ma'am. We used to sing these songs in school. So yeah, ma'am. Right now, it's all over the head, ma'am.
याद है किसी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We remember.
हम होंगे
I remember कामयाब. हम होंगे कामयाब. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. मन में है विश्वास पूरा
है विश्वास,
हम
होंगे
कामयाब एक दिन।
नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का
नहीं डर किसी का
आज के
ओहो है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। ओहो मन में है विश्वास, है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
वो एक दिन कभी नहीं आएंगे।
किसी का एक नज़म के साथ 2 लाइन पढ़ना चाहूंगी, नज़म। ठीक है
पक्का मैम, पक्का मैम।
ठेल मठेल सिलतात
ठेल चोने
2 लाइन में पढ़ूंगी।
पक्का मैम।
जी लोग मोहनी महफिल रह जाएंगे अफसाने, अफसोस जुदा होंगे अब शम्म से परवाने। लो खत्म हुई महफिल रह जाएंगे अफसाने, अफसोस जुदा होंगे अब शम्म से परवाने। छूटेगा चमन तुमसे मालूम न था हमको। ओ ये मेरे बच्चे इतने हंस रहे मैम, यहाँ से पीछे से बोल रहे थे मैडम, बोल रही थी प्लीज मत करो।
Such a lovely voice मैम ले।
बस खत्म कर रही हूँ मैं। छूटेगा चमन तुमसे मालूम था हमको, हो जाएगा दिल टुकड़े मालूम न था हमको।
I think there's connectivity issue मैम। Nice मैम ले।
डेमो तांसी दे मामले
नेटवर्क। मैम ने इतना इमोशनल गाना गा दिया। ये ऐसे से इमोशनल गाने गा दो तो बस फिर उसके बाद आगे बात नहीं करी जाती।
मैं 2 लाइन गाऊंगी मैम।
हाँ जी प्लीज।
मैम फातिमा।
जी मैम। फिर मैसेज के लिए
और चले मैम लेट जो
चलते चलते मेरे याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते बीच राह में दिलबर, बिछड़े कहे हम मगर, और सुनती लगे तुम्हें जीवन की डगर। उसके बाद याद नहीं है मैम, सॉरी। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना
अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना कहना। थैंक यू सो मच मैम रे, बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट मैम रे।
थैंक यू मैम मैम, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। नहीं कहेंगे कभी अलविदा। थैंक यू। एंड और कोई अच्छी सी आवाज के साथ यादें छोड़ना चाहते हैं इस प्रोग्राम के लिए?
Anyone?
Okay then. Palak is waiting to sing, I think.
No, ma'am.
गाइए मैम।
मैम पलक इज अ गुड डांसर मैम।
अरे पलक फिर हो जाए फिर
पंजाबी, she likes dancing on Punjabi songs।
मेरा हो जाए थोड़ा सा।
मैम मैं आपको लाइव दिखाऊंगी जब आप आओगे स्कूल में।
हाँ ठीक है। फिर तो आप सब ऐसे करना ना कि हाँ पंजाबी आ रहे हैं दिल्ली से, तो आपने पंजाबियों के लिए कोई भंगड़ा वंगड़ा तैयार करके। नहीं देल डू नहीं ईशी, सबसे आगे आप ही को खड़ा करेंगे।
मुझे नहीं आती I'll try, but फिर I can do anything for you ma'am, for sure I'll do।
तो ईशी को करवाएंगे हम पटियाला सलवार बना के पूरा पंजाबी डांस।
Yes ma'am, will do।
Okay, thank you everybody।
Thank you so much once again ma'am।
Thank you so much ma'am।
Thank you so much
ma'am। I'll try to be there as soon as possible।
We would love to see you ma'am, please।
Take care, bye।
Take care ma'am।
Thank you ma'am। Bye।
Give our best regards to your family members from all of us।
Yeah, thank you love to everybody and सबकी families। God bless।
Thank you ma'am।
सब छुट्टियों का फायदा उठाओ, मजे करो, then go back with full energy।
Yes ma'am, we are left with just a few days। We are left with a
When do
few
you
days।
join back?
Maybe school ma'am, first week of March maybe। It's not out yet ma'am, the order is not out yet।
Depends on the weather।
Yes।
So करवाओ थोड़ी सी और snowfall।
That's what it's not happening। I don't know why ma'am, not happening this time। Annoying।
Okay, bye bye।
Okay ma'am, take care ma'am, take care everyone। Thank you।
Bye।
Thank you ma'am, bye everyone।
Bye ma'am।
Sonam smile।
Yeah ma'am, Sonam।
Don't get so emotional, we'll stay in touch on call। Bye।
Bye everyone। Bye ma'am।
Bye bye।
Bye bye ma'am।
Bye bye।